Do you like keeping records? Are you interested in working with compounds and medications? Do you have good organization skills? Then you won't experience any side effects in a career as a pharmacy assistant. Pharmacy assistants help and work under the supervision of pharmacists and pharmacy technicians. They interact with patients and customers, gather information, select medications from stock, count and package them, and enter information into a patient care record for review by a pharmacy technician or pharmacist. They support the maintenance of prescription records and inventories of medications and pharmaceutical products. We spoke to a pharmacy assistant working in Alberta to get an over-the-counter look at this interesting career.
Hi, my name is Damanpreet and I am a pharmacy assistant. Pharmacy assistant is the one who helps the pharmacists and pharmacy technicians in the pharmacy, and they make sure that there is a smooth workflow to ensure the patient safety and to make sure we give the accurate medications. As a pharmacy assistant, your duties may vary depending on your level of training and also the place where you work. A pharmacy assistant can work both in community pharmacies and hospital pharmacies. Their duties may vary though. In the community pharmacies, there will be more patient interactions. So they might have to help the patient at the pickup, they might have to help the patient find the over-the-counter medications, and they can do some pricing of the medications. Also, they can deal with some insurance claims. In the hospital, it is a little different. They are responsible for doing the rounds and going to the different units. They can restock the drugs in the nursing units, and also they can restock some of the emergency kits as well. As a pharmacy assistant, my duty is to make sure I help my pharmacist and pharmacy technician to make sure that we are giving out the right medications to the patient and we are not making the patient wait for a longer period of time. Also maintaining inventory, helping prepare and package prescriptions, and interacting with patients and customers. Some of the narcotic things, they have to keep it in the safe, so we have to make sure we place the drugs at an appropriate place. I begin my day and make sure counters are clean and everything is organized so that we can start a day with fresh and clean environment here. If we have any callbacks to do, we do that. If we have any blister packs to do, we make sure we do that at proper time. We receive the drug orders and we label the medications, we count the medications. Once the preparation is done, then we give it to the pharmacist or the tech to check it and dispense it to the patient. The tools we use at work are some of the measuring tools, which include the weighing scale and the graduated cylinders, and then the computer to look into the patient files. It's a busy environment. You have to do basically everything on the back end, like you have to count the prescriptions, you have to talk with the patients, you have to answer the phone calls so that the pharmacists and pharmacy technicians can focus on their aspect of the pharmacy.
Hi, how can I help you?
Every pharmacy have different hours of operation, and they might have to work on the evenings, on the weekends, and full 8-hour shift on the weekdays. Some skills that pharmacy assistant should have is a good communication skills, and then attention to detail, professionalism, and ability to solve problems by themselves, and also make sure they follow the proper rules and regulations of the pharmacy.
It will be $10.95.
I became a pharmacy assistant because I like helping people and I like to count the medications and get it ready for the patients. And also as a compounding pharmacy assistant, I like making some like creams for the patients, which are patient specific, and some capsules. Employers usually prefer applicants who are graduates of a related training program or who have pharmacy experience. Computer and keyboarding skills are essential. There are advancement opportunities for the pharmacy assistant, such as they can do more study and become a pharmacy technician, or even they can become a pharmacist one day. Currently, I am studying the pharmacy technician program, so my next part will be to become a registered pharmacy technician here. And then once that is done, I'll take some time and then I'll become a pharmacist one day for sure.
Hi, I'm calling from Palisades Pharmacy.
The most satisfying part of the job is when you help a patient and then they come back the next day and then they're like, yeah, that thing actually helped. And I think that's the most fun part for me.
A career as a pharmacy assistant requires a caring attitude, attention to detail, manual dexterity, and composure. The ability to work with clients while using tact and compassion is essential. If this sounds like you, you could fill the prescription for a career as a pharmacy assistant. Dispense the details and find out more about this occupation, including training requirements and salary ranges, in the occupational profile on the ALICE website. While you're there, check out some related occupations, including pharmacist, pharmacy technician, and surgical processor. Explore the possibilities. Go to alice.alberta.ca.